Morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. Welcome back once again to the Making Maths class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have today? Come along, let's see. A beautiful Maths Olympiad question. It says 3 raised to the power x, indica question, equals to x raised to the power of 9. And we should find our x. Now, how do we do it? The first thing to do, now multiply both sides or both powers by the reciprocal of their powers. The power here is x, the power here is 9. So multiply both sides by x times 9. The power of these two, x is the power of 9 times 1 over x times 9. So from here, this and this will go off. This and this will go off. So I'm left with 3 raised to the power of 1 over 9 equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now the next thing to do from here, split this down. This can be the same as 3 raised to the power of 1 times 1 over 9. 1 times anything is that number. So it's equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now switch this one to look like this 3 here. 1 is the same thing as 3 over 3. So I can say 1 as 3 raised to the power of 3 over 3. I can change this one to be 3 over 3, which is the same thing. If I break it down, it's still 1. Now times 1 over 9 is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. Now where do I go from here? Now take this power here. So this becomes 3 raised to the power of 3 times, move this here, 1 over 3 times 9 is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. So from here, we can shield this 3 raised to the power of 3, 1 over 3 raised to the power of what? That's 1 over 3 times 9. That becomes 3 times 9 is 27. So this 3 raised to the power of 3 raised to the power of 1 over 27 is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. We are done. 3 raised to the power of 3 is 27. So let me finish it up here. So that's 27 raised to the power of 1 over 27 is equals to x raised to the power of 1 over x. So our x therefore is 27 when we equate the base or the powers. 1 over 27 is equals to 1 over x. When you solve for x, x will be 27. So x is equals to 27. I hope you have learned this wonderful trick on how to resolve a question like this. If you like the video, give us a like. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like, give us a share. Tell your friends about the Making Maths class, a place where mathematics is demystified and complex problems made easy. If you're here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified when new videos drop. Till we meet again in the next class, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Shalom.